All right, let's talk ChatGPT with Quizizz because, I mean, when two wonderful things come together, how could that be a bad thing? So, ready? The first thing to know is that it's very, very easy to make questions in ChatGPT and bring them right over into Quizizz in the exact right format. And that's all thanks to Deepak, our co-founder, who's made this brilliant code, but we'll get to that in just a second. So here's what you need to do. Linked in the description is this very fancy doc created by Deepak. So just simply copy and paste that into your chat. Basically, he's designed it so it's exactly what you need for quizzes. But now we get into the fun part. What makes ChatGPT cool is that the personalization factor. So let's just go with this. Ready? Let's just say create a, we'll just do 3-question quiz on fractions, and we want it to be for 5th graders. Cool, right? So it's gonna make it, right? And I'll pause the video for a second. All right, so it made the questions and they're great. But this is what I would do as a teacher. I'd find a way to use ChatGPT to make it personalized for my students. So watch, here's what I mean. So I would make sure, let's say we had a class pet named Sammy and he was a turtle. And I'd say, you know what, let's make sure all the questions are about Sammy the turtle. Let's see what ChatGPT creates. So check it out, ChatGPT said, certainly. And sure enough, it made all these questions that were just regular fraction questions, all about Sammy, your class pet. And of course you can put in, students' names or Sammy the class pet, but like this is, I think what's really cool is it can make it personal. And I'm gonna take another example just to really drive this home about math. So now let's say instead of fractions, actually I'm gonna pause here and just write this in. Okay, so now what I did is I put, instead of fractions, let's make these questions about identifying similes and metaphors, but still using, of course, Sammy the turtle in all our sentences. And here we go, Sammy the turtle. All questions about similes and metaphors. And again, we can go on and on about ChatGPT. You can write in, make them all multiple choice, make them a little bit easier, make them a little silly, make them, longer, add more questions. The possibilities are infinite. But in this video, I also wanted to show you, okay, now you made it on ChatGPT. It's very cool. How do we just take this and put it in Quizizz? Watch how simple this is. So all you need to do is open a brand new sheet, spreadsheet. Copy and paste and drag and drop. Watch this, ready? So just copy and paste it into a sheet and then download it as an Excel. You see, it just takes a matter of 10 seconds. Go over to Quizizz. You're gonna create a new quiz. And then instead of making your own, just go to the bottom and hit spreadsheet. And we can just drag this one over to here and import. Just like that, in a matter of seconds, we have our fill in the blank, we have our multiple choice, all about Sammy the turtle, created on ChatGPT. So please be sure in the comments or wherever, tell us some other cool examples of how you're using ChatGPT with your questions, and of course how you're using them with Quizizz, because I think this is just going to be part 1 of this video, because I feel like there's going to be many, many other very cool ways we can do this.